Hi, this is a short video on the August Smart Lock for Unit A. When approaching the door, the keypad that is on the right-hand side of the door will have the code that is emailed to you before you arrive. We're going to use this temporary code to show you how it works. Come up to the door, press the code and the symbol at the bottom, and the door should open. And you go ahead and close the door and rotate the lock to the right. That'll lock the door. Now go ahead and exit the door. Turn the lock to the left. Exit the door. Go over to the keypad and press the symbol. You can hear the lock has locked. Also, there's an automatic lock feature on these August smart locks that will automatically lock the door should you forget in 5 minutes. If you have any more questions, contact your host. Have a great day.